Hi, I'm Clark Hayden, Director here at Raybloc X-Ray Protection. I'm here today to introduce you to our new product in the range of X-ray protection products, SenseX. Hope you enjoy.
At Raybloc, we have been pioneering advancements in radiation shielding for 25 years, always focusing on enhancing safety and experience in medical imaging. Today, we introduce our latest innovation, the SenseX screen, featuring a flush, patented LED strip that transforms the atmosphere of X-ray rooms. This state-of-the-art lighting technology not only reduces patient anxiety, but also improves the work environment for radiographers, making each procedure smoother and more comfortable. With SenseX, we're not just illuminating spaces, we're enhancing the way care is delivered, ensuring a better experience for everyone involved. SenseX by Raybloc, a visionary desk for visionary X-ray rooms.